Guys, day 7 to get to know me videos. So today's questions are going to be, what high school did I go to? What university or college did I go to? I went to 2, so just name 1, it's fine. And then what did I study or major in, university or college? Again, I have 2, so you can choose whichever one you want to think of. Alright, day 5 answers are going to be, I was born in Guangzhou, China, technically Shantou, but it's like 30 minutes away from Guangzhou, China. I was raised in the Dallas area, and I currently live in Branson, Missouri. See you next time.